What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Yes, so for today's video, meron naman tayong bagong makeup brand na galing from China mga sis! So, I'm super duper excited to share to you kung anong brand yung i-review ko ngayon. And it's KeyBest! Yes, yung KeyBest, it's a makeup brand from China, and what I love about KeyBest is that their products are very affordable. I really love the quality of their products. Yung price point nila, it's super duper affordable. I really hope that you guys will go check out their Shopee. Yes, please do check out their Shopee kasi they have a lot of affordable products, guys. And ayan, so mag-start na tayo kasi yung face ko, ang bilis niyang mag-red sa pag natatamaan siya ng ring light, ang bilis mag-red ng face ko. So, I'm gonna do a full face of makeup using KeyBest products. So, oh my gosh, guys, I know that ang dami ko nang nare-review ng mga makeup products from China, but yung KeyBest talaga, ito yung makeup brand na gusto ko talagang i-hoard. As in, like, literally, yung collect them all talaga because sobrang affordable and the packaging is very beautiful. I don't know if it's just me, but ang dami niyang products na pwede natin gawing dupe from, you know, yung mga high-end products. Pa siyang dupe from high-end products kasi yung KeyBest. So, I'm super duper excited to share to you yung mga products nila. So, first product is, I'm gonna try out this base makeup from KeyBest. This one is a Coverage Matte Foundation. Nung sinwatch ko siya, parang siyang may BB cream type of feeling. I don't know if it's full coverage, but let's try it out since meron ako mga red spots on my face kasi nagpa-facial ako kahapon mga sis. And this product has vitamin E, jojoba oil, and hyaluronic acid. So, parang siyang sodium hyaluronate. So, ayan, which gives moisture on your skin. So, parang mildly matte siya, pero super moisturizing niya sa face. So, let's try this one out. So, parang it gives you that flawless light matte finish. And it, guys, guess nyo kung magkano siya. Yung ganitong size. This product cost 85 pesos. Oh my gosh, it cost 85 pesos mga sis, and it has skincare benefits. Ayan. Oh my gosh. And it comes with 7 shades. So check nyo dun sa Shopee. I'm in the shade B02, and I hope magmamatch siya sa skin ko. So, mas maganda yata if you guys are going to use a blending brush, but since tinapon ko na yung blending brush ko, sobrang light, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, para siyang may BB cream type of feeling. And best, ang bilis niyang mag-set. Blend muna natin kasi blending is life. Ang bilis niya mag-set kaya you have to like, oh my gosh. Kung merong downside dito sa product na to is that wala siyang SPF. So, ayan, guys, if you're going to ask me, hindi ko masyadong bet yung kanilang foundation kasi once you apply it onto your face, dapat isa-set nyo siya kaagad. Hindi siya ganun ka-liquidy kasi. So, as you guys can see, light yung shade niya sa aking skin tone, yung shade 02. Medyo light siya and hindi niya na-cover up yung aking blemishes on my skin. And the downside of this product is that, even though meron siyang skincare benefits, ang bilis niya talaga mag-set. Like, once ginanon ko siya, nag-set na siya kaagad. So, I really hate rubbing my face. So, I think medyo struggle siya sa akin. But, if hindi naman siya struggle sa inyo, if okay lang naman siya sa inyo, given the price that is very affordable and meron siyang skincare benefits, so why not, diba? It's just, for my opinion, ayoko lang talaga na i-rub ko palagi yung aking face since ang bilis niya mag-set sa aking skin. Ayan. So, I really hope na magsaset pa siya kasi it's really light. So right now, I'm going to try out yung very cute KeyBest Loose Powder Long-Lasting Oil Control. Sobrang cute, diba? And this one comes in 5 shades and this one costs 95 pesos. Yan. And I'm in the shade number 3. So, ayan. So, this one, guys, it's waterproof. And it's long-lasting and it's lightweight. It gives you that flawless finish and it covers up your pores and your fine lines. So, tingnan natin. Try natin mga sis. So, diba, yung nakalagay dito is that it is waterproof. So, tingnan talaga natin if it's really waterproof. Ayan. I have a water right here and let's see. Oh my gosh. Ayan, sobrang powdery niya. Hindi siya yung parang cream. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. So, sa mga oily skin out there, ayan, nahanap niya yung perfect loose powder for your face. For the price na 95 pesos, to think that it is waterproof and long-lasting siya. So, I really think that this product is not bad at all from Keybest. So, let's try it. Okay, so, hindi siya full coverage, okay? So, don't expect much about this one. This one is just a loose powder. Kung if you guys are going to layer your face with sunscreen, this one is a perfect loose powder para i-top off nyo siya sa sunscreen. This one is perfect sunscreen topper. So guys, I'm super duper excited to share to you yung kanilang eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, this one cost 269 pesos. Ayan. This one is the Keybest 5 Planet Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh. As in, sobrang unique ng color combination ng kanilang Jupiter Eyeshadow Palette. And what I love about this palette is that this one is recommended also by Kenny Manabat. And this one is a dupe dun sa Kendall Jenner palette by Kylie Cosmetics. So, check nyo, ayan, 'di ba? Sobrang same lang. Kasi usually sa mga eyeshadow palette, yung color combination is just like mixed with pink shades, warm tones, nude shades, browns. But this one, yung palette na to, this one has metallic shades, it has matte shades, and what I love about this palette is that meron siyang mga super unique neon shades, so you guys can play with this palette. And it also has brown shades and pink shades, and ito pang highlighter. As in, like, this one is a multi-purpose palette, and you guys are going to enjoy this palette. To think that this palette costs 269 pesos. And guys, kung hindi nyo naman bet yung shade na to, you guys can choose among the 5 planets, which is meron ding Mercury. Check nyo lang yun dun sa Shopee. So, I got the Jupiter one kasi I'm super duper hilig sa mga pink tones and warm tones. So, ang dami ko ng eyeshadow palette na ganun yung color combination. But this palette is very unique to think that it's 269 pesos. So, alam nyo naman, hindi ako magaling sa when it comes with, meron siyang mirror. Oh my gosh, I love it. When it comes sa eye makeup, hindi ako masyadong magaling. But, we'll see. Okay, let's wala siyang masyadong eyeshadow fallout, you guys. And sobrang fine lang talaga ng powder. Wait, isa-swatch ko yung iba ha. So, para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda talaga. See? Try natin yung shimmer. Ayan. Like, literally, oh my god. Oh my god. As in, kumakapit talaga yung powder nila. I swear you guys, hindi kayo magsisisi. Para magda-drag queen yata ako, mga sis. So next is, let's try their cream blush. I'm in the shade 05, which is yung Melba. Comes in 6 colors, and this one cost 83 pesos. Oh my gosh, 83 pesos. And this one is like a dupe dun sa Careline na blush cream nila, which cost 110 pesos. So at least you guys can save 27 pesos dito sa product na to. And look at the packaging, it's so cute, sobrang ganda. So just make sure na clean yung hands nyo once you are going to use this product para once na iba-blend nyo siya sa cheeks nyo, hindi kayo magkaka-breakouts. Kasi you know guys, sobrang hirap na. Okay? So ayan, sobrang like, nung ginanon ko siya, ayan, napipick up kaagad yung product. It's very moisturizing, and ayan, meron siyang mirror. Guys, 83 pesos. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng packaging. See? So, parang meron siyang glowy finish. Hindi ko talaga bet yung shade na nakuha ko sa foundation. I swear you guys. So, ayan, sobrang natural lang na tingnan, and nag-glow yung skin. So, swatch ko lang yung kanilang ayan, cream blush. Ito yung shade ng kanilang cream blush. Sobrang cute. Natural looking lang siya. And right now, let's move on sa kanilang Keybest Lip Tint Velvet. I'm in the shade Zeus, which is, I think, shade number 1. And this one is a non-sticky. And parang may velvety feel siya. So, ayan. Parang siyang baby pink color. Yung claims nito is that this one is smudge proof and it's non-sticky, it's very lightweight, and it has that velvet feel. So this one also is waterproof mga sis. So let's try it out. This one cost 87 pesos and it comes with 12 colors. So yung shade ko is number 01, which is Zeus, and it has that parang velvety feeling. It has that parang matte feeling. Hindi siya yung ganong type of velvet lip tint na magbiak-biak siya. But other than that, I think that, see that it's transfer proof. So sa halagang 87 pesos, I think this product is not bad at all. To think that it comes with 12 colors, you guys. And I love the packaging of this product, the quality, to think that it is transfer proof. Para siyang may same feeling dun sa Maybelline Superstay MLBB shade ko. Same sila ng feel and almost same din sila ng color. So parang this velvet lip tint is parang a dupe dun sa Maybelline MLBB Superstay lip tint. I love it! So right now, I'm going to top this one off with their moisturizing lip gloss. Guys, this is my favorite kasi the packaging, and tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda ng color. It's pink and it has shimmers. And this one comes in 6 shades, and I think I bought the shade 04, which is Pisces, and this one costs 73 pesos. Oh my gosh, 73 pesos. Sobrang ganda nitong lip gloss na to. As you guys know, I'm a fan of lip gloss. So, tingnan nyo yung kanyang applicator. Ayan. Sobrang unique ng applicator. Oh my gosh. Sobrang moisturizing niya sa feeling, and it has that minty flavor. Ayan, so parang nakaka-plump siya ng lips. And it's a perfect lip topper. I just love this lip gloss. So guys, if I'm going to rate kung ano yung favorite ko sa Key Best, yung aking top 3, it would definitely be yung kanilang eyeshadow palette. Next would be yung kanilang lip gloss, loose powder. Ito yung aking top 3. And next is number 4, yung kanilang cream blush on kasi sobrang natural looking lang niya. And next is kanilang velvet lip tint, you guys. And lastly, it would be definitely yung kanilang foundation. So I just hope na yung kanilang foundation is may SPF and blendable, kasi hindi siya blendable mga sis. So yung kanilang best selling products are these products, yung kanilang cream blush on and yung kanilang lip gloss. So ayan, they already sold 1,000 pieces ng ganito. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it, and if you do, please like this video, you guys, and share this video, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. And guys, again, check nyo na yung Key Best dun sa Shopee mga sis, kasi ako mag-hoard ako ng lip gloss. I really love their lip gloss. Mahilig talaga ako sa lip gloss, and I'm planning to buy their eyeliner and their mascara. So far sa review ko ng mga China makeup brands, yung Key Best is my top 1. Next would be yung I think yung Sister Anne's, and then next would be the ZC Cosmetics, and next is Vocalio. So thank you so much for your time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye you guys.